fuzzy bug is just going to count on this piece of lettuce. Whoa! I'm taking it! I'm taking it!
Yes!
He's flying around with it! We're gonna find that piece of lettuce and you're gonna take it. What you doing?
Making a snack.
Yeah, what you making?
The ham and cream cheese and pickle roll-ups. Yummy.
Ah.
Mmm.
This is ham flaps, cream cheese, and little pickles.
Mm-hmm. That's it. You gotta use the square ham to make it work right.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Well, I'm gonna make some pico. Oh.
You're stinky.
Oh.
You're gonna burn my eyes.
Burn my eyes. See my shirt? My baloney has a first name. It's Mitch. Eh? He looks like a Mitch. Don't you think? Good stuff. It was just revealed to me that we are having fajitas again. Well, we're trying tofu fajitas again. We're gonna do things a little bit differently, I think. But that's what we're having. So I gotta chop up the rest of this onion.
And the peppers.
For dinner. I just thought I was gonna put the rest of this in the fridge after the pico de gallo affair. But I got more chopping to do.
Chop it up, chop it up.
Here we go. Apparently I forgot to hit record. Well, this is what happened. I did the red peppers. I forgot to hit record again. But you'll be able to see the orange pepper in action. Damn it. I didn't get seeds everywhere this time. Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
I can take it home and put that in the dirt, and then it'll grow some peppers for me.
Yeah, sure. You go right on ahead. I'll be over here. Slicing up this here pepper. Alright, there's not enough room in there. A lot of these aren't going to make it when I carry them outside. I can tell you that right now.
I screwed up. Apparently I didn't hit the record button when I thought I did.
It's going around.
I swear I did. I mean, I literally pushed it. It just didn't take it.
Yeah, apparently it didn't register.
So, anyways, we did tofu pressing.
But somebody had, and forgive me, I can't recall the name off the top of my head, but somebody mentioned that we should cut it in half and then press it. So that's what we did. And it was really exciting when it happened, like the first time. Less so just talking about it, but the same, just like the pepper and the onion.
Oh, well.
It must be all the fresh air. We have all the windows open in here, and there's a nice breeze coming in. Yet the air conditioning is running.
Yeah. It's on 76. Should be running.
We could probably turn it off and then it
Yeah.
won't run at all.
Yeah.
Well, hey, look at that. I have some counter space. Yay!
You're beautiful anyway, babes.
Trying something new this time. Not the food, but visually. I got a little bit of a wide angle lens going on over there. Oh, and Shelly's got a pool of sour cream. Can she squeeze? Maybe a little zealously?
I squeezed what I thought needed to be squeezed, but these are a little bit bigger wraps than we had last time, so I'm gonna do what he suggested, which is half burrito-fied, where it's rolled up on the bottom but open on the top.
Oh,
See? And not just me.
got too soft.
I like it better with the smaller pieces. Definitely better.
It's about the same as last time. Except my pico is a little more limey than the last pico that I had. I really juiced it. Big time.
I told him.
And as a side, we're having not homemade rice. This is leftover rice from a Mexican restaurant that is near our house that we like pretty well. It's the only Mexican restaurant rice that I actually like. Most Mexican rice or Spanish rice, I'm not really a fan of most places, but theirs I really like. We have a favorite Mexican restaurant. It's called Mexican Fiesta. It's in Dearborn, Michigan. Or is it Dearborn Heights?
Dearborn Heights.
Dearborn Heights, Michigan. And it is so good, the food that we get there, but I can't stand their rice. I do not like their rice. We always get coleslaw. They have really good coleslaw.
The best coleslaw.
The other Mexican place we go to, we just get their rice. We just get double rice.
Yeah, really good rice. And it's the only Spanish rice I eat too. I might put some rice in my next burrito tofujito.
How do you spell that?
T-O-F-U.
No, I'm pretty sure you started with a burrito.
Oh yeah, burrito. B-U-R-R-I-T-O. T-O-F-U-J-R-T-O.
F-U. You filled it a little full there, dear.
Nah, that's fine. I can take care of it. I'm a big girl.
Don't blow bubbles. Don't accidentally blow.
Isn't that how adults take care of it when they fill it too high? Oh, I put a floater in it.
Oh, there you go. You got some tofu laid.
It's good. look at me.
Oh. Sorry, I didn't know what you were doing.
I was recording a little video.
Oh. Sorry. Next RV is gonna have a bigger couch.
I don't understand the problem with the couch.
Ugh.
I fit perfectly fine.
No bueno. Even if I put my feet up, I can't put this foot over here because I'll put it through the window. it's tiny and I'm big.
Yeah. Well, you want to get rid of the dining table and then just have a one big couch?
No, I want one of them fifth wheels that has the big couch and then the theater seating on one side and the TV right opposite it. The way it should be.
Yeah.
That's what I want.
Yeah.
That's not going to happen anytime soon.
No. So get used to it.
Or ever. Yeah. Ugh. Eh.
Well, it was morning. I slept good. Well, I slept RV good. Which is to say, not good. Not bad. Not good. I'm sure I've discussed it in the past, but one of my problems in the bed isn't that it's not comfortable, because it's pretty comfortable now. It's that it's a smaller bed than what we have at home, and because I kind of sink into it like a marshmallow. Every time I have to roll over, I wake up, go to sleep on my side. After a while, one of my hands goes to sleep because of the way I'm laying. And I wake up with dead hands. I gotta roll over. Or I do go to sleep. And I fall asleep in a deep sleep. I sleep for a few hours. Then the next thing you know, my shoulder's sore. I can't just roll over in my sleep like I would ordinarily do at home. I have to wake up. Wake up. Oh, I gotta roll over. It's very exciting stuff. And we'll talk about the amphitheater aspect in another episode. When Shelly's not in the room.
Well, it's time to make the donuts. And by donuts, I mean bacon.
Bacon!
What the hell? I have to get the stick lighter out again. Sometimes this thing will light right up, and other times I gotta sit there and click it and click it and click it and click it. I made sure the fuel line was open. Went to the back to make sure I still had propane. One of the things that I tend to run into with my camping stoves is just a consistency in the automatic lighting. I had it with the Coleman road trip, and I'm having it with this Blackstone. It's just my lot in life, I suppose. I mean, it's not a real pain to do it this way. It's just if it has the feature, I'd like the feature to work. It's just the way I am. I'm one of those people that if you sell me something that's supposed to do a thing, many things, I prefer it if it does all of those things you sold me on. Oh well. We'll cover that probably when I do an actual full review, which I will be doing soon since I've managed to do a lot of cooking on it and using it. Oh look, some lady has brought me bacon.
And eggs.
And eggs. Breezy is not cooperating. Trying to put the bacon down.
Come on, Breezy.
I gotta put this grill in a different spot. This is not working out. Alright, that's where you're going. Thing is cooking so slowly right now. It's taking this bacon forever to cook. Now, I was noticing this last night that I was having a problem with temperature balance. Like 100 degrees hotter on this side. All this piece.
And they're at the same thing.
And they're both turned all the way up. Riddle me that, Blackstone. What's going on here? Trying something new with a different angle.
Bacon.
And eggs.
And of course, chalky milk. Cheers.
Breakfast at 11:52.
It's brunch.
Yeah. Put those eggs in the bacon grease. Good. And good for you. This bacon has two purposes. For breakfast, we're also going to be using it at dinner time when we make our special supper.
Yeah, so I can't eat all the bacon right now. Yeah, little teeny hummingbird up there. Hi, cutie. Yeah. Hello there, birdie. Hi.
We're not here to cause you any woes.
We just want to see you.
Come on, bud. You looking for fishies? Little bugs?
He's gonna fly away if we get close.
There's a truck behind you.
Uh-oh, you better move. Sorry, bud.
Well, we did it. We found our next trailer. We can get his and hers. And then maybe a third one.
For the stuff.
As the common room. Wow.
That is the tiniest little thing.
That is so small.
They probably have a potty on their bed.
Probably. I'm not even sure I could stand up in that.
I don't think you could.
We're at Camping World.
Camping World.
We're
It's
gonna-
so good.
Shelly's been jonesing for a Camping World fix.
Yeah.
So she made me drive her here. And here we are. So we gotta mask up and go in.
Yes. I'm ready.
Alright. I just need to put on my ninja mask. Hold on. I almost feel like a G.I. Joe character. Probably except for the hat and the shirt. And the general physique. Wait, maybe that could be my G.I. Joe name. General Physique.
You stay here. I'm gonna go look in clearance.
Oh, well, yeah, you found clearance. They've rearranged since last time we were here. It was probably a year ago.
What this?
It's Yahtzee.
National Park Yahtzee. It's got little, yeah, instead of having numbers, it's got little icons.
And National Parks
Monopoly.
You can buy up all the properties and drill for oil on them.
Got a reindeer hat, a tent, a canoe, a bison, a hiking boot, and a camera. I would want the tent.
I would probably take the camera.
Yeah, you would. I might take the bison.
Do we need a sack of balls?
I don't think we need a sack.
But there's 4 balls in this sack. And they're all different colors. There's a black ball, a green ball, an orange ball, and a blue ball. Fun for doggies and for people who are still mentally in junior high.
Yeah, I think she needs this.
You found a treat for Pompey?
Yeah, I think she needs it. It's cute. It looks like a little trailer.
And she is spoiled.
She is spoiled.
Do you want this leftover drink from Taco Bell?
No.
It's only $6. Oh, pig.
He's getting him.
Yeah, he is.
I found something we need.
Yeah? Little pinchy hands?
I don't know what I'd use them for, but I think I need them.
Oh, it says right there, they're handy. You can use them for all sorts of things.
They feel funny. Put your finger in there.
You can pick up ice cubes and put them into cocktails.
Yeah. Ice cubes to put in your bottles.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah. Got another one. Or the same one, maybe. Hi, buddy. He definitely doesn't like cars, or at least trucks. Yeah, that other guy. Black crane, heron, or whatever it is.
We got more over here. There's this guy, and there's a white one over there on the left. Just hanging out in a little swamp bog. It is a birdie day. Lots of birdies. Oh boy, I've been working hard on the Blackstone today. I didn't record any of it, but I made some good stuff, and I'm going to show it to you right now. I made cheeseburgers. I even made some fries on the Blackstone. And check it out. I also made a Coca-Cola. Ignore the packaging. It's just what we had left around. But yeah, man, that thing is so versatile.
You're so full of it.
So as you saw, we went to Camping World and we bought a few miscellaneous odds and ends. Shelly got a dish scrubber because she wanted a scrubber like this.
Yeah, help to clean the dishes easier.
Yeah. I don't know why we had to go to Camping World to get one of these. We probably could have got one at Kroger for about 1/3 the money.
No, that wasn't very much money. That's why I bought it there.
Anyway, she's got a nice compact scrubby.
Got this.
Show them. Don't show me. I was there when you bought it.
I got this. New
Change our-
filter for our air filter.
Yeah, we haven't changed that or cleaned it or anything.
I've cleaned it.
Oh, apparently she cleaned it. I must have been hiding. I do that when it's time to clean things. Bought these little collapsible doggy bowls for when we bring the dog, because we might be bringing the dog in a couple days. They're rubber, so they won't slide around the floor. Because the other ones, she tried to eat them and they'd scoot along the floor. A I'll watch this show all day. There it goes. Is it gonna fit?
Yeah.
Did you ask somebody like you said you were?
No.
Sounds about right.
No, it's upside down. The green goes towards the roof.
Okay. Anyway, I got 2 of these for food and water. So there's those little guys. And they come with these carabiners in case you plan on taking your pooch hiking, which we're not going to do. Because I don't think she would do that very well. But you could still, you know, carry it along, put it on your backpack or whatever, and fold it flat. Kind of cute. We got another collapsible thing. This is a funnel.
That's because when I make Kool-Aid or when I make the shaky pancakes, I can't get stuff to go in the holes. And so this will help me with that.
Whatever help she can get. There's that. And you saw we got the filter and we got some ice cube trays. Some flexible, crushable ice cube trays. And they make long ice cubes that you can put in your water bottles or even your regular, you know, your regular store-bought plastics that you open up, you can just slide a little ice cube right in there. We never have ice cubes on here, on this thing. We never ever made ice cubes. Well, that changes, bucko. And finally got a decent sized tray for when I'm done cooking stuff out on the Blackstone. And I don't have to worry about it rolling away.
What time is it?
Oh, time for the nasty. We're doing it a little bit early because somebody filled it. No, since we were only here one day and then we skipped a day, we didn't empty it then. So it's time. We bought some new stuff to put in the tank after the fact, so we're kind of eager to give that a go. Hopefully it'll cut down on the stank.
Cut down on the stank.
Well,
The stinky stank.
I don't think anybody's going to cut down on the stank right away, though.
I will save you from seeing the nasty.
You noticed we were having a little bit of a drip. Right now it's dripping on Shelly.
It's really cold.
Well, at least you know it's coming out of the hose then, and not out of one of the tanks.
So it's like the water is going into the tank and maybe there's a crack in the tank or something. And underneath that is like this tarpy plastic. And like it's coming out of the tarp. So it's possible the black tank may have cracked.
I don't think so. We're using a new chemical for the toilet called Happy Camper. And you're supposed to fill the toilet with a gallon of water, so we just filled up a gallon jug. Decided to put the Happy Camper right inside it and then shake it up. It's not as easy to get the Happy Camper inside the jug as maybe we thought. So we got a little bit on the outside, but that's okay.
But if we do it the other way, it says to stir it, and I don't want to put my hand in the toilet.
I don't think anybody said on there for you to put your hand in the toilet. You could stir it with anything.
It's good enough.
And then let's see what a gallon looks like in that toilet so we know moving forward.
I'm going to fill the toilet. Basically to the top. All this stuff just hardened and made little rocks.
Well, that's why they want you to stir it, I guess. So we should... Oh, somebody's got a wet butt.
I do have a wet butt.
Let's put in the rug tacks, or whatever you want to call them. Smooth as silk. Not going to trip over those. Perfect. rock in a lake.
Oh,
I skipped it twice.
you got a twofer out of that.
Something.
Nope.
It wasn't a good rock. See, the one that I got the skip on was that nice round one that you'd found.
Ah. I got the perfect one. Okay, I got you the perfect skipping stone. You gotta skip it, and this has to be the top.
Here we go.
Three! Three! Told you it was a good one.
I look forward to just throwing this in the lake.
Oh, you got two? Bloop. Nope. Oh, wow. We got a few in there.
There goes my career in skipping stones.
Gotta watch out for the wildlife around here.
I found mama and some baby duckies. Hi, baby ducks. Just eating the mucky water, huh? Yum. And they're just a stone's throw away. They're there. From the swans. All cleaning themselves. Because they're filthy. Yeah, you're filthy. Bon appetit, baby ducks. Gross. It's just gross. Look. Another swan. In a while, and oh, is that a black swan?
There's a black swan right here.
I can't see it.
Yeah, keep
Oh, there it is.
there it is.
Oh, I'm just getting a glimpse of it. Wow, man, the wildlife around here is really something. The original menu for the evening is we were going to do a Blackstone pizza again. A slightly different version, but we forgot to bring the cheese that was necessary. So we decided to improvise and still have pizza of a sort. We ordered Papa John's.
Hey, what can I say?
Can all be Blackstone.
It's time for tea. Tea for two? No, tea for one.
Shelly was squealing from the other room, and now she's laughing. What did you do?
I dusted our nightstands.
Uh-huh.
And apparently I should have done it sooner than 4.5 years later.
I think most people would agree with that.
Oh, I discovered something that I was unaware of, and I know you were unaware of too.
I'm unaware of most things, so that's not a surprise. What?
So you know how every night we plug our phones in way out there because there's no plugs in here?
Yeah.
There's plugs on both of our downstairs.
Are you kidding me? Where?
It's up under there.
Oh my god.
I haven't seen it in 4.5 years.
Well, who goes down there? There's less than a foot of space here. I'm up here when I'm laying in the bed.
I know.
I'm bend down here.
I had no idea.
Well, at least I know that the RV is not as stupid as I thought it was. But still, I can think of a better place for it.
Like right
Maybe over
there.
here. Sit way over there.
Where you can actually see the darn thing.
But it's good to know. I think really, though, the point is that, yes, just more often than every 4.5 years.
Well, I didn't know that it needed this.
Apparently, it's lawn mowing day here at Haas Lake. There's the lawn mowing lady. Whee! And round she goes. Were you thinking about being naked?
Yeah.
I was just recording the lawnmower lady. Do you want me to record you?
No, thanks.
Okay. Sure you don't want to sing your song a little more?
I'm sure.
I'm not sure they heard it over the lawnmower noise.
That's okay.
I think they would like it. All right. We put that happy camper stuff that was recommended to us in the tank yesterday, and I'm just dumping the black tank now. Admittedly, there wasn't much in there, but no smell. So maybe that's the solution we were looking for. That's a little scoopy of the happy camper. Got a full toilet with supposedly a gallon of water. Seems like a lot, but that's what it filled to when we used an actual gallon jug. Plop that in, and then we stir. Gotta stir it up. And the toilet needs to be cleaned up.
Yeah.
It hasn't been 4.5 years, has it?
No,
Okay,
I've
good.
cleaned this toilet many a times. Somehow it keeps getting dirty.
Good stir, and then we floosh. We already have that about 3/4 full, so
2/3 full.
2/3 estimating. High. Rinse
Okay.
off our
And I have a
toilet
question.
stone. Yeah.
How do we fill that sink with a gallon of water?
You took away our gallon jug, didn't you?
Yeah. Oh, you know what? Well,
There's not a plug here.
there's one in the cupboard, I think.
So there is a plug that goes in here?
There was, yeah. I tucked it in there somewhere. It was tan, maybe up on the top. It would be in a corner. It wouldn't be. How about up on top? Did I toss it up there? No? Well, crap. Where did I put it? Oh! I bet it's down there.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, here it is.
Yeah, that.
Okay, I'm just going to fill that thing up.
Yeah, just fill it up. Then I gotta go fill up the kitchen sink, so I'll see you later.
To each their own, but having a whole trailer just for a spare tire seems like overkill.
The babies are out again. Hi, babies. You cute little ducky babies. They're so cute. They look so fluffy. I want to touch them and hold them and pet them. Oh, there's Oh, that's a bird. I thought that was a duck up there.
It's better than.
Yeah, you can take them over there and sit down and try on your little shoes.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that.
They're just tight to get on, not tight for your foot to be in.
No. Right.
Oh, okay.
I just can't get the back part up. I don't have a shoe on.
Yeah. And you might be able to see, we're at Costco. Running a couple of errands.
Look at my feet.
Oh, that's my girl. She threw a shoe.
The thing with the Skechers
They stretch.
is they stretch.
Yeah.
So I have to buy them a little tight because in a month they'll be loose.
Right.
So yeah, that fits.
I have to say, one of the saddest aspects of the pandemic is no free samples at the Costco.
What is that?
That's a yellow dragon fruit. Says so right on it.
Yeah, but it's funny. Look.
It's a dragon fruit.
Do you know what it tastes like?
From what I understand, it tastes like dragon fruit.
The groundhog just came to the door.
Just peeked at the door, Pete.
He was standing up at the door looking in.
I can't just look at it. What if I wake up and
Hey there, buddy.